In this video, I'm going to show you how to return and refund on ACBuy. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you will need to create an account with ACBuy, so go ahead and click the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can sign up using that link to get started. Now, once you actually do that and you order some things and you want to return and refund on ACBuy, go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom on their website, and here, as you can see, it says returns and refunds under shopping agent guidance. Click on that, and then over here you can see their 5-day return or exchange guarantee. You can read all about this. I'm not going to read it for you. I'm not going to bother you. You can do that yourself. And then down here, this is very important, and the only thing important over here that we're going to cover in this video is that you have to submit your request within 5 days or 120 hours after your order status changes to stored. Now, the way you can see this, you can go to your orders, so hover over here, up top right, click on order. And then in here, your status is going to say stored as it said over there. Now, currently, my orders over here are still pending. They haven't been paid just yet. But of course, whenever you do this, you'll be able to see, or in most cases, you should be able to see a return button over here for 5 days after your item is going to be stored. Okay, so over here it's going to say your order status, and then it's going to say stored. So 5 days after that, you'll actually have the option to click on return or refund, and if you don't see the button, click on order details, and it should be somewhere in here. But if you still cannot see it for some reason, what you can do is go ahead and contact support, either via this chat over here. You can go ahead and start a new chat, tell them what's going on, or go ahead and go down below to this button where it says service email, support@acbuy.com. Basically, just message this email over here within 5 days, and then they will help you out and you'll be good to go. Let them know you would like to make a return and get a refund, and they will help you out and solve your issue. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.